Worried about getting a medical marijuana recommendation in Minnesota? My MMJ Doctor makes the entire process easy, secure, and completely online, so you can be evaluated from the comfort of your home. Here's how to get started. Head to mymmjdoctor.com and select Minnesota as your state. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment, then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, fill in your personal details, such as your address, birth date, height, and weight, followed by your medical history, and upload any relevant medical documents. It helps our licensed doctors get a clearer picture of your needs. A pop-up will then appear to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Your consultation with a licensed medical professional in Minnesota is then scheduled immediately. Most consultations are brief, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. Once clinically approved, your Minnesota licensed provider submits your certification to the Minnesota Medical Cannabis Registry. Complete your online patient enrollment, and after your enrollment is active, you can purchase medical cannabis from state licensed dispensaries. At My MMJ Doctor, our goal is simple: to make the entire process easy and stress-free. Whether it's your evaluation or assistance with the state registry, we're here to help you move forward with confidence.